سلام، من مجید هستم. قسمت 15 از Persian Words and Phrases. I have decided to make some videos addressing your questions. And here is the first. I got a question from one of my subscribers asking about the difference and the usage of the words someone and people in Farsi, which could be something like nafar, kasi, adam, adama, or mardom. So the first word we're going to work on is the general you, or the word one in English, which refers to a situation that you use you as a general pronoun for all people. And for this usage, we have the words adam, which means human, or one, or like English, you can use the word you, which is to. Let's go to the examples to understand it better. For example, we say, in this hard situation, you don't know what to do. So we can use the first option, آدم نمیدونه چی بگه. Please note that آدم is third person singular. So we have آدم نمیدونه, third person, چی بگه. Or we can use you, which is second person. نمیدونی چی بگی, or تو نمیدونی چی بگی. 2 weeks at home you will be bored. 2 هفته تو خونه آدم خسته میشه. 2 هفته تو خونه خسته میشی. Too crowded here. Crowded means شلوغ. You can't breathe. خیلی شلوغه اینجا. آدم نمیتونه نفس بکشه. Or you can use you. خیلی شلوغه اینجا. نمیتونی نفس بکشی. Now we have the word someone or a person in English and the Persian equivalents. We have the word یه نفر or یک نفر. Spoken Persian we say یه نفر, which means a person. یکی, which means exactly the same. And then we have کسی, which means someone or somebody. And شخصی. شخصی is the formal word for these. So we don't use it here because we are dealing with spoken Persian. I need somebody to speak Farsi with. یه نفر or یکی, or you can also say کسی. It's also possible. But to me, it's better to use یه نفر or یکی here. یه نفر or یکی میخوام که باهام فارسی صحبت کنه. Someday, somebody will enter your life. یه روزی یکی or یه نفر or also کسی میاد تو زندگیت. Find somebody who is honest. کسی or یه نفر or یکی رو پیدا کن که صادق باشه. A person whom I can trust. A person, کسی or یه نفر or یکی که بتونم بهش اعتماد کنم. Whenever we have whom or who, کسی is absolutely possible. A person who blah blah blah, کسی or یه نفر or یکی که. When somebody needs help, وقتی کسی کمک میخواد, وقتی یه نفر کمک میخواد, وقتی یکی کمک میخواد. Someone like you. یکی مثل تو. یه نفر مثل تو. کسی مثل تو. Let's go to the word people. For people we have 2 words in Persian. مردم or آدما. Let's go to the examples to see where we can use مردم, where we can use آدما. Iranian people. مردم ایران. For the general concept of people, like population of a geographical area or something, we use definitely مردم. People are tired. Here is also the word people general. It could be people of your country that you're speaking about or the people of the world. مردم خستند. People around the world. مردم سراسر دنیا. People say many things. Again, here people is general. مردم خیلی چیزا میگن. Here we have the usage of آدما. Good and bad people are everywhere. So here we become a little more specific. We have خوب and bad people. So we say آدمای خوب و بد همه جا هستن. You might say it is also the people in society. Yes, it is possible. You can also use مردم here. But a better choice would be to me آدما. The street is full of people. Now we are referring to a group of people on a street that we are talking about. We don't use people here. خیابون پر از آدمه. You might ask, why isn't it in plural form? Actually, there is another grammatical point here that sometimes in Persian we use singular form to refer to plural. And after this phrase is full of, although it is people, we use singular آدم. The people who talk behind you, again, here the people is a little specific. So we can use آدمایی که پشت سرت حرف میزنن. Like here, you can also use مردم, but a better option is آدما. Some people are really heartless. For some people, we can always use both of them. So we can say بعضی از آدما واقعاً بیرحمند. بعضی از مردم واقعاً بیرحمند. And the last thing is about the word نفر in Persian. In English, for one person, we use the word person. But after two people, we use the word people. But in Persian, it remains always نفر. We are 5 people. ما 5 نفریم. Just for one person. فقط برای یه نفر. So people or person, it's always نفر. A room for 3 people. اتاق برای 3 نفر. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, you can send it to my email or you can send me a message on Facebook. I will make a video on your question someday in the future.